Aloha, fellow eaters. Today we'll be having Nature Valley Peanut Butter Dark Chocolate Protein Chewy Bar here on Welcome to Foods Folks, helping you find your food and remembering the good times when we ate them. If you're new today, mahalos for stopping by. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to FoodzScribe for more videos coming soon. And right before we start eating, I just want to remind everyone to say grace. We must remember that all these gifts are from God, who nourishes us all and give us the wisdom and strength to endure anything. And also to remember that all these folks who farmed, cooked, and prepared all these foods, folks, worked really hard on it. Please check the description below. We'll have timestamps so you can skip to the video and the parts you want to see. Here we go. That's pretty much it. Let's unbox this. One piece, yes. Oh. Looks like the picture. A little bit. Oh, maybe this way. Yeah, look at that. Kind of does looks like the picture. Here we go. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Mmm. 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 Mhm. Mmm. Mmm. It's very good. I give this a 4.8 out of 5 stars. Nice, smooth, crunchy, and not too sweet. Good balance of dark chocolate with the sweetness of what's in here. I believe doesn't taste like honey. Yeah, it's something else, but there's peanut butter, peanut, no, yeah, peanuts. I'm thinking there's peanut butter around it, but it's something else. Yeah, maybe syrup. And Rice Krispies. Yeah, very crunchy, but at the same time smooth from the dark chocolate. Yeah. Thank you, folks, for watching. And for more Foodz Unboxes, right here, folks, and for other foods right there. And don't forget, when you subscribe, you're also supporting all these folks who farm, cooked, and prepared all these foods, folks.